Welcome to Home Food Best Food. Click on the red subscribe button to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest recipes. Today's recipe is sore throat gummy candies. If you have little time and patience, making your own herbal honey ginger sore throat gummies are reasonably easy. These gummies are made up of only 4 ingredients and are super fast and easy to make. You can have a tray of gummies ready to eat in less than an hour. I have used agar-agar to set these candies in place of gelatin. Let's start the recipe. In a heavy bottom saucepan, add 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger. Cover and cook the saucepan until the water reduces to half. Once the water reduces to half, filter it using a mesh. Press and remove all the ginger extract from the ginger. Put the ginger water back into the saucepan, place it on the stove and add half tablespoon of agar-agar. Cook the agar-agar on medium flame. Do not cook it for a longer, cook only until the agar-agar dissolves well. Immediately transfer the cooked mixture to a bowl and let it cool for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, squeeze in half lemon into it. Next add 2 tablespoons of honey and mix well. Please check the consistency, it will be slightly thick. Don't let it cool longer. Immediately start pouring the solution using a dropper onto the silicone mold. This silicone mold and dropper is a set that is available on Amazon. Carefully pour in all the mixture slowly into each depression. If you see any air bubbles, then pop them using a safety pin. Pour the mixture till the top. Do not let it overflow. In case the mixture solidifies before pouring into the mold, then carefully microwave it for just 30 seconds. Do not overheat. This may lead to degradation of honey and caramelization of honey. Let this sit at room temperature for 15 minutes, undisturbed. After 15 minutes, you can see that they are all solidified and they are ready to pop. Carefully press the silicone mold from the bottom to pop the gummies. Agar-agar is a gelatinous substance that is derived from cell wall of red seaweed, and hence it's 100% vegetarian. If you are a non-vegetarian, then you can replace agar-agar with gelatin. Other ingredients like honey, ginger, lemon are especially very useful for sore throat relief. These gummy bears melt into your mouth into a luscious pool of flavor. You can store these gummy bears in a Ziploc or in airtight container. It stays fresh up to 2 weeks. Look how adorable they look. If you like this recipe, then share it with your friends and give it a thumbs up.